how to see your Instagram Reels watch history. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to show you a brand new feature Instagram just rolled out so that you do not lose track of the videos that you've watched, even if you have not saved them. So I just jump right in. We can start by opening up Instagram on our phone for that. And if you're logged in, we can tap on a profile icon in the bottom right corner to go over to our profile screen. Now, next, we can tap on the menu icon in the top right corner and access our settings and activity from the section. And go ahead and look out for your activity option directly and tap on it. That is the hub where Instagram uses our to track our interactions. Now from here we can scroll a bit and you will be seeing a section called how you use Instagram and an option called watch history directly. So we can tap on it, and that is where we can browse the reels that we have watched recently. You can just go over and head over there, and there we go. Now you can find it up, and in your watch history, you will be seeing a grid of the thumbnail videos. These are the reels that you've watched in the past 30 days. You can scroll through them to, look out for your rewind playlist and sort it out from newest to oldest or oldest to newest as well. And even filter it out by date range. You can tap on all dates for that. And look out for all authors as well and filter by all authors as well. And you can just go and tap on select. If you want to remove any of the reel available here, you can tap on remove once you've selected it, and just clean it up as well. But this is super handy feature if you saw a reel you did not save or like, but now you want to find it again, like a recipe tip, life hack, or funny clip that slipped through your feed. So you can just go over and have this easy way to get back to it, and now Instagram keeps track for you. So that is it, everybody. That's how you see it. Even if you lose a track of something that you want to revisit, so smash that like button, subscribe, hit the bell icon so you never miss on any other tips and tutorials. And see you in the next one.